In today's fast-paced urban world, where space is often limited, creating a lush green environment can be a challenge. Vertical gardening offers a smart and stylish solution, allowing apartment dwellers and homeowners to bring nature into their living spaces without sacrificing valuable floor area. By utilizing walls, fences, and other vertical surfaces, you can turn any space into a vibrant, eco-friendly haven. Whether you're looking to grow fresh herbs, decorative plants, or even small vegetables, vertical gardens provide a sustainable and aesthetically pleasing alternative to traditional gardening. 1. Understanding vertical gardening. Vertical gardening is all about growing plants upwards instead of outwards, making efficient use of vertical surfaces. By using trellises, wall-mounted planters, stacked pots, or vertical garden towers, you can transform a blank wall into a thriving green space. The success of a vertical garden depends on selecting the right support structures that provide adequate stability, air circulation, and access to sunlight. Choosing durable and well-designed structures ensures that plants have enough room to grow while enhancing the overall appearance of your home. 2. Exploring different vertical garden structures. There are several types of vertical garden structures to suit various spaces and needs. Trellises are one of the most popular options, perfect for supporting climbing plants like ivy, jasmine, or peas. Wall-mounted planters are ideal for compact spaces, allowing you to grow herbs, flowers, or small vegetables. Stacked pots offer another innovative space-saving solution, enabling plants like succulents, strawberries, and peppers to flourish in a neatly arranged vertical display. Selecting the right structure will help you make the most of your available space, while ensuring a visually appealing garden. 3. Choosing the best plants for vertical gardens. Not all plants thrive in vertical environments, so it's important to choose varieties suited to limited soil space and climbing or trailing growth habits. Climbing plants such as clematis, honeysuckle, and sweet peas naturally grow upwards, adding beauty and fragrance to your garden. Succulents, with their ability to retain water and withstand dry conditions, are perfect for low-maintenance vertical displays. Herbs like basil, mint, and thyme also do well in wall-mounted planters, providing a fresh and accessible source of flavor for your kitchen. For maximizing light and space for your plants, positioning your vertical garden correctly is essential for plant health. Most plants require ample sunlight, so placing your garden near windows or in well-lit areas will encourage strong growth. For indoor vertical gardens, choose locations with sufficient indirect light, or supplement with artificial grow lights if needed. If you have a balcony or patio, positioning your vertical structures to receive 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily will ensure a flourishing garden. For low-light areas, opt for plants like ferns, pothos, and peace lilies, which can thrive in shaded conditions. 5. Efficient watering techniques for vertical gardens. Watering a vertical garden requires a thoughtful approach to ensure all plants receive adequate hydration. Gravity plays a key role, so using a well-structured watering system is crucial. Stacked planters should have proper drainage, allowing water to flow evenly between levels without waterlogging lower plants. Drip irrigation is an effective method for delivering water directly to the roots, reducing waste and preventing overwatering. Choosing moisture-retaining soil can also help maintain hydration levels, particularly in hot climates. 6. Enhancing indoor spaces with vertical gardens. Indoor vertical gardens provide an innovative way to incorporate greenery into your home without taking up precious floor space. Whether mounted in the kitchen, living room, or hallway, vertical gardens create a refreshing atmosphere while improving air quality. Using creative elements like wall-mounted planters, repurposed furniture, or shelving units can help bring greenery into small spaces effortlessly. Vertical gardens also act as natural decor, adding texture and color to interiors while fostering a calming and inviting environment. 7. Transforming outdoor areas with vertical gardening. For those with balconies, patios, or small gardens, vertical gardening is an excellent way to make the most of outdoor space. A green wall created with trellises or wall-mounted planters not only adds beauty, but also provides additional privacy. Hanging planters or railing-mounted containers can further maximize space, allowing you to grow a mix of flowers, herbs, and decorative plants. By incorporating vertical garden towers or stacked containers, even the smallest outdoor area can be transformed into a lush retreat. 8. Maintaining a thriving vertical garden. A well-maintained vertical garden remains healthy and visually appealing year-round. Regular pruning ensures that plants don't become overcrowded, while periodic checks for pests like aphids or spider mites help prevent infestations. Supporting structures should be inspected to ensure they remain stable, particularly for heavier plants. Keeping the watering system functioning properly and adjusting care routines based on seasonal changes will help maintain the garden's vibrancy over time. 9. Beyond space saving. The benefits of vertical gardens. Vertical gardens offer numerous advantages beyond just saving space. They act as natural air purifiers, absorbing pollutants and increasing oxygen levels. In urban environments, vertical gardens serve as sound barriers, reducing noise pollution and creating a more peaceful atmosphere. Additionally, they contribute to sustainability by optimizing water usage and encouraging eco-friendly gardening practices. With their ability to enhance both aesthetics and well-being, vertical gardens are a valuable addition to any home. 10. Designing your unique vertical garden. One of the most exciting aspects of vertical gardening is the creative freedom it offers. Experimenting with different plant arrangements, textures, and colors can help you design a garden that reflects your style and complements your space. Whether you prefer a minimalist display of succulents or a lush mix of flowering vines, there's no limit to the possibilities. Incorporating various plant species can create dynamic visual contrast while ensuring a thriving and diverse green space. Thank you for exploring the world of vertical gardening with us. We hope this video has inspired you to create your own space-saving green oasis. Whether indoors or outdoors, vertical gardens bring beauty, sustainability, and fresh air into any environment. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and eco-friendly living ideas. Let's grow together, because with vertical gardening, the sky's the limit